In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble this Kobalt brushless 24-volt attachment capable string trimmer. First thing we're going to install is this handle, and you will need to undo this fully. So undo the thumb screw and then pop this out. I like this system here because it allows you to easily move the handle up and down by just lifting up this clasp and then sliding up and down the shaft. So bring the shaft in. And it tells you exactly where to put the handle. The handle position should be down here. Now I'm a little bit taller, so we're going to put that up a little bit higher. Now which way this goes on, you need to make sure that you put it on in a way that the handle is going to be angled the right way. And to do that, make sure that these little dots are facing down the shaft. Bring this in, and then we're going to slide it on. We're going to push that down all the way. Like that, and then we're just going to spin it around a little bit so it's lined up with the handle. Bring in the clasps, slot it in, make sure it's in the open position when you tighten this up. Bring the wing nut and then thread this on, and then close this clasp in place, and then you can always move this at a later point when you're using this if it's not in the right position. Next you'll need to bring in the string trimmer head and the guard. Remove these two bolts here. With these two bolts off, we need to line this up with the rest of the string trimmer. So hold this facing up with the holes like this. Bring in the string trimmer and line these two holes up with the holes on the guard, like that. And thread it through. Just tighten them up fully. Now we can attach the string trimmer power head to the rest of the string trimmer. To install these, you need to make sure that this little button here lines up on the right hand side of the shaft where this arrow is here. So we're going to bring this in, slide it together until that locks in place there. Roll this over and then tighten up this wing nut. Insert the battery into the back of the string trimmer, slides in like this. Locks in place. And this string trimmer has 2-speed setting. You got a fast and a slow, and to use this you could press this button here on the safety in from this side and then pull the trigger. And then to stop the string trimmer, just let go of this paddle on the bottom. And that's how to assemble this Kobalt 24-volt string trimmer.